Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Traffic Transformer. So this is the members area of Traffic Transformer and I am in the dashboard now. So in this video I will clear you the product Traffic Transformer and also I will show you my bonuses, kind of $6,397 bonuses which I have been collecting from so many days, and it will be given to you totally free once you have brought the product from my side. And let me clear you that this is an approximate value, and also the best bonuses will be given to you from my side. I have left out many bonuses, many bonuses, and I just have put the best bonuses for you, and it will be given to you totally free once you have brought the product. But let me clear you the product first. Okay, I will clear you the bonus part on the later part of the video. So let me give you a brief about this product. So Traffic Transformer is kind of that product which allows you or gives you kind of getting profit from any blog posts which can be written by you or written by others. Okay, so this product is mainly focused on softwares, or mainly focused on that products which are which is previously promoted or previously put it as an advertisement of on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo, on ClickBank, or other e-commerce websites, or like other software products. Okay, so basically they are calling it 5-in-1 product because they are just taking these 5 words, kind of Warrior Plus, e-commerce, and softwares, ClickBank and JVZoo. Okay, so they have focused the main platform of any promotion, any product promotion, or any affiliate promotion. Okay, so this is awesome. And also you can do, apart from these platforms, you can promote any other platforms, any other e-commerce product, and also this product is basically or mainly focused on software. This is a good news for this product. Okay, so this product is also very cheap. Let me now show you the product from inside. So this is the dashboard as I have already told you, and let me click on the account now. So in the account section, as you can see, it is, you can, in the account section you can just add your social media account. There is nothing much. You can add your Facebook page or Twitter account, LinkedIn, Reddit, Tumblr. Okay, so these 5 are you can get these 5 options inside front end product. And the next option is campaign, and which is the main or basic option of the product. Okay, so this is the campaigns. This is the previously done campaigns, and let me start with now new campaign. Okay, once I have clicked on new campaign, let me show you that there are so many various kind of all niches products are previously done for you. You can promote instantly any kind of niche product by clicking this, just selecting this, or let me show you any of them. Okay, let me show you clicking the preview section. Okay, I have already opened up a new tab inside a new preview section, section or preview pane, preview website of this kind of products, this kind of done for you products. Okay, so what you can do, you can easily select any kind of products on your niche, or you can do it yourself, putting any campaign name, choosing any niches. Okay, so all kind of niches. So I have chosen diet niche, and inside diet niche these are the done for you templates, kind of 6 templates you are getting inside the front end product, and maybe there is more on your purchased version, as this is a review version. Okay, I can select from the 6 of them, or let me click on the next option. Okay, so what I can do now, I can search any kind of inside dieting, I can search about any food. Okay, let me click just food, the keyword food, and let me click on search. As I have not chosen any of the done for you or any of the ready-made templates, they will show me the related or other good contents which are already available on the internet, and they will show me all of the articles here. So it is taking time little bit, but it has come, and you can take their content, I mean others content, to just promote your product. Okay, you can do it easily. You can select the product and then you can just click submit and just wait few seconds. Okay, so it will be instantly done. Okay, I think it should be done instantly. Let me just wait a few seconds. Okay, so this is taking time, this is loading. Okay, I don't know why this is taking so much time, but this kind of product or this kind of website you will get with this product. You can easily promote any kind of product. This is a kind of landing page, and you can do with any niches. Okay, So this is taking time, and also this has not come. I don't know why. I have clicked the submit section, and also I have ticked down the product. I don't know why it is not coming. Okay, it should come, but I don't know why it is not coming. After when it will be submitted, it will come in this section, and you can just promote the product. You can just run the campaign, and you can just click the next option is promote. You can just promote the product, and you can just from your campaigns you can just promote it, or you can put the URL and then promote it. Okay, so this is the URL, and you can just copy it and paste it. Okay, just copy it and then paste inside the promote option. Okay, it is not taking. Let me click on create promote. Okay, so I was wrong, but it is not like choosing the link or copying the link and pasting the link, but you have to just put the campaign name. As I have already created, I have tested this. These two campaigns was created by me, and you can choose any of them, and you can put the message here, the hashtags here, and just click next and post. You can see also the post preview here. Okay, so it will be just promoted, and you can just share your social handles. Okay, so this was the tool, and you can maintain your leads here also. Okay, and inside the dashboard, as I have already showed to you, that there are so many numeric statistics and also kind of graphs are there. Okay, so now let me show you the product cost and everything, the ratings, the upsells, and the sales funnel, and my bonuses. Most importantly, my bonuses. So this is a meme created by me, cause meme can tell more than 1,000 words, and also it can put a little bit a small smile on your face, and I want people laugh. Okay, so that's why I always create meme, and it can clear you the product easily. So this is the cover image, and the next is the ratings. Okay, which is most important. So inside feature and facilities, it has got 96%, which is awesome, and performance, it has got 98%, which is also excellent, and ease of use, it has got 96, and value for money, which is 97. Both are brilliant. And market hits, it has got 93%, and I give the market hit rating by viewing the platforms from where I taken the product. Okay, so the response, I put the market hits, so I never consider the market hit inside overall section. So overall it has got 97%, which is brilliant, and its cost is only $17, and it is giving you also a downsell within $14. Okay, so this is the launch period. You should take this inside this launch period, otherwise you will get the price will be risen up every hour 0.1 cents. Okay, so these are the all other descriptions here. You can check this out by visiting this page. Okay, so these are a carousel here, and this is a carousel, and also you can, as I have already showed the inside the product inside. Okay, so it is also put here. So they are the product owners, Richard William and Yves Cuyo, and in my opinion this product is awesomely cheap, as I have already written here, and I have pronounced here, awesomely cheap, and also it is useful, done for you, and profitable. So every online earner can get this tool easily. Just blindly get this tool, cause they are also offering you 30 days money back guarantee. If I have skipped to tell you that they are also give you a 30 days money back guarantee, and what else you need. So these are the sales funnel, and let me, as I have already told the front end version, and let me start with the next. This is the Traffic Transformer Unlimited Edition, and these are the pricings $29.17, and the next one is Autopilot Edition $39.27, and Done For You Edition $197.97, and the next one is Reseller Edition $197.97, and the last one is Mega Bundle $97 and $77. So after the upsells and all the sales funnel, let me start with the bonus, and I am very much eager to tell you about the bonuses. Okay, so these are the bonuses. I don't want to tell each of the bonuses because there are so many bonuses, and let me show you the surprising thing here. As I am scrolling down, and it is not ending, you can see there are so many bonuses, but the surprising thing comes here, that after 50 bonuses I have put here 300 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, kind of to really to give give me relief also. As I have already mentioned here, I am tired telling about bonuses, so I am putting 300 plus bonuses as mega bonus, and also it will save your time and my time also. That's why I have chosen this way, and this kind of bonuses I have been collecting from so many days, and I have put here all of the best bonuses for you. So inside this you are getting literally 350 plus bonuses, which are kind of softwares, SEO stuffs, plugins, case studies, and also images, musics. Recently I have introduced images, and musics were previously there, and kind of 10,000 plus stock images, not stock images, quote images, and also some of them are stock images, and also social media images, and kind of 25 plus loop musics will be given to you from my side totally free, which are musics are licensed free. So what you have to do, that after purchasing the product by clicking these buttons, okay, you can go through the software, and also after purchasing the product you have to click the blue button. This blue button will be hidden after purchasing the product from Warrior Plus. Inside Warrior Plus you will get the purchase history option, and inside purchase history option you will get this blue button. Inside this blue button you will get my bonuses. Okay, so that was the product review, product overview of Traffic Transformer, and I am signing off for the day. I am wrapping up the video, so bye bye.